Hi guys, welcome to this session in Power BI. In this module, I want to show you how you can create a table that you can then store all your measures. So over on the right in the data area, I have a few different measures, but they're all over the place. Some are in groups, some are in main, and I want to put them all in a separate table. So what I'm going to do is go onto the table view and create a table. So home first of all, and then you've got options over here: new column, new table. Now when you create a new table, it basically creates it for you just with one column. So now I'm going to paste a formula in here that I've already created, which will create myself a column. So this data table is a function, and then you can create the column, which is just this placeholder like that. And then if I tick that, it's just going to put placeholder down here, and then that will create the column. Now it's telling me to rename that table, so I'll have to rename that table. I'll rename that as, let's see if I can rename that as all my measures. See if that works. Should be okay, that one. So now it's created the placeholder, and then it creates a table. So the table is now sitting over here somewhere, down the bottom there. And if I put a number 1 in front of that, if I just double click there, I can rename that again. It's got 2 names in there, so I'll just get rid of that. Put a number 1 in front of that, then that will be the first table at the top of this. If I click off it for a second, it should shove that to the top. And then the main one is the second one down. So now what you've got to do, when you open that up, you've just got one column. But if you come down to these measures, if I click on average revenue on that measure, it tells you its parent table. So if I change that to all my measures, that will move that one up to this new table I've just created. And if I come down through these measures and just do that with each one, what you end up having is a that's not a measure, that's the field. Where's these measures? That's the one, targets a measure. And then I can move that one up and see what other ones I've got down here. Total sales, I'll click on that one, move that one up, and then I think that's in group, so I'll put that up there. So once you've gone through this list, I've probably missed a couple. You end up with all your measures at the top, so you can quickly go to where they're at. If you want to rename all your tables, you just need to put a number in front of them, and then they will come in whatever order you want them to be rather than alphabetical. And you can close that down, you can close main down, and you can close group down, like so. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video: how you can create your own little table and put your measures in one place rather than having them all over the place in different tables, especially if you've got more than 3 like I've only got 3. So hopefully this video is of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.